Hey everyone, one of the things that I can find frustrating when it comes to developing writing software, and by the way, this isn't just happens in FreePascal, it happens in other languages as well. But when you find a package or a library or a unit that you'd like to use, but there's little or no documentation available, nothing to start you on that journey to learning how to use it. And you can go through maybe those stages of grief, of anger, denial before you hit acceptance. We think, why isn't there any documentation? Why can't I find it? There should be something there. And this happens, even as you are searching the internet for the answer. This is the case for sqldbpool. So at this point, there are a few things that are available that you can do. We could look elsewhere for an answer. Maybe one with documentation, maybe one that's easier to use. Or we could read the code here and work out how to do it ourselves. A third option might be to just give up, or maybe not. And the last one would be to lean into AI to give it depended on me writing code. Well, giving up wouldn't be an option. I'd have to actually read the code to work out how to use it. Now, when it comes to FreePascal also, there is a lot of code, a lot of good code that comes out of the box. And if we just jump back to here, we've got some database code. There's stuff for sound, PDF. What else is there? There's web. There's a load of different packages that come out of the box. So to me, if there is something available within this ecosystem, then it makes sense to use it rather than having to, go for something external. Now, of course, there may be something where you want to use Mormont or, some other library. But let's say in the main, using what's available makes sense. So back to dbpool, I'm wanting to use this particular library because it manages a database connection pool or connection pools for databases. But with that said, when I wanted to use it, I didn't have any I couldn't find any real documentation to tell me how to use it. Perhaps rather than to whinge about, the documentation or the lack thereof, I figured I could use AI to do two things for me. One would be to write that documentation, and the second, which is related to the first, would be to also provide some example code, where it makes sense to do so. So we're going to go into Gemini here, and what we'll do now would be to drag this unit into our prompt. And I actually have my prompt stored elsewhere here, so I'll paste that in as well, and then we can go through that one. By the way, I can put the prompt into the description below. But ultimately what I'm asking it to do is to provide me with documentation that covers the constants, the types, and the classes, records, any standalone procedures and functions. And for the classes, I'm really after it to tell me, about the constructors, the destructors, published properties, and the methods, etc. And any code to be written using Modern Pascal for FreePascal. And the last thing then that I did tell it is that I'm going to be using a Rust style documentation. It's a personal preference. I just happen to like the way it's output. And we're not also replacing a technical manual. We just want to provide, it's more like a programmer's reference, maybe. So we've got our prompt, we've got our file. Now we just have to press the enter button and to see what the result is that comes out. Fingers crossed here. Okay, so we have an answer here. So why don't we copy this answer here into here. Let's see what happens, hey? Okay, a high performance thread safe connection. Cool. Okay, disconnect. Duration in seconds. Fine. Now there may be some quirks, in the formatting or the information it provides. It may give me some Delphi code. I haven't checked it fully yet. But it's given me something that I can work with. It may not be something, I'd want to, publish per se, but it's something that I could add to my own collection of documentation. More of a companion guide, as well. Now, why don't we go down to the example program, because I saw it did something like that. Okay, down the bottom here. Okay. So we create our pool manager, we set up a definition. Okay, we get a connection, start a transaction, do a query, and then we free it all. Okay. So basically, using AI here, I've been able to create some documentation that was previously missing. And I now know how to use it. So that's a win on in my books. And what I will say now is if you did make it this far, that if you do use Copilot, unfortunately you can't just, drag and drop a file with a .pp extension. Not sure about a pass unit, but you sort of have to, it will not recognize that file format, so you're going to have to copy and paste the source code. So that's about it for this video. Hope you got something out of it. If nothing else, you've learned how to use a database connection pool in FreePascal. Till next time, happy coding, and I'll see you on the other side. Cheers.